figure. I take the top off in July and it's gonna start raining today. Luckily, we have the Bestop Emergency tops in stock, and well, these are a lightweight PVC cover that installs in seconds and will give you temporary protection against, well, downpours. And these are tough enough that you can even drive with them at reduced speeds. But the big thing is, it's gonna keep your interior from getting wet. Open up the box, the first thing you're gonna notice is a couple raincoats. It's not raining enough to worry about that. But this emergency cover comes in a nice small bag. So this is something that you can carry in your Jeep. And well, I probably should have had one in my Jeep before now. Pull the cover off. And we just grab this top. So grab your corner straps and they're gonna go right down to your hinge points. And this center one's gonna go to your footman loop up in the front. Then you have this bungee strap here in the back. It's designed more for a factory spare tire, but it will work with an aftermarket tire carrier. You have the little plastic clips that'll clip into your rail at the back corners and the side. And then you have your lower clips. And then you have this Velcro B-pillar surround. And now we can tighten up our front straps a little bit more. Now it covers the rear doors. The front doors are open for ease of accessibility in and out of the vehicle. Keep in mind that this is an emergency top only. This is to get you off the trail or out of that mall parking lot in case of a severe downpour. And again, this is designed for reduced speed use only. So don't think you can go flying down the highway with, well, what could turn into a large parachute. But what if you don't have to move your Jeep, but you still need that coverage or that protection? Well, Bestop has you covered with their trail cover. And that's a cover that covers the full cockpit area, including the front doors, and it's made from the same material they make their tops out of. So it's much heavier duty and designed to last a lot longer. Now, of course, we have both the trail covers and these emergency tops here at Northridge 4x4. Check the description box down below for a link for your Jeep. Thanks for watching our video. We'll see you again soon.